Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Lincoln MKX. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 2.7-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Lincoln has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include climate package, technology package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat, anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.